Today we're going to rough in Spalding for a little while and see what we can catch. Here we have a inbound Metro with 92 for power. 92 is a F59 PHI, which is a ex-Amtrak unit. Metro got about 20 of these back in late 2018 and was put into service in 2019. Here is CP253, really about the only daylight freight train you can catch on the Milwaukee District West Line. You can catch a few ethanol trains in the daylight, like 686, but that's about all you're going to get for daylight freight trains. Power for 253 is CP AC44, 9710, and BNSF-9 4084. CP253 can range from a variety of power. As you saw today, he had a BNSF-9 trailing second behind the CP unit. It's pretty common to get foreign power on this train, and it is so common to get 2 CP units as it is for every other train. A few weeks ago though, we caught a 253 with some special power. CP3018, which is a yard goat unit, and CP rail paint. It was just recently sold off, and I would like to put it in the video. Another thing I'd like to point out is that the interchange yard between CP and CN is actually being used by Metro right now. Because of the tire replacement on the Milwaukee District West Line, Metro is storing their equipment in there. As you guys know, the interchange has been gone for about 2.5 years, and was moved to BRC. Believe it or not, CN still uses this yard, though for a different reason. CN uses this yard for one train, X519. This train switches out plant just west of Guilford Road in Elgin, and they have to go through Spalding to get there. So this is cool to see because at least something uses this yard. Back to this outing, we catch a empty tanker train heading south with Givos up front leading through Spalding.